Let's start with a story. Not about heroes, not yet. Let's start with the villain.
Not the kind who hides in the shadows. He's right there in the meeting room.
This one wears a suit, drives a reliable car.
Smiles at the status update and says,
Let's play it safe. His name, the status quo. You know him.
He rewards repetition and fears originality. Comfortable, predictable. But here's the twist. He's also a liar, a deceptive little devil. He calls it best practice.
But really, it's fear in a necktie.
He'll tell you to wait, to get approval, to play it safe. But here's the truth. He doesn't want you to grow. He wants you to shrink. And if he had his way, nothing would change, ever.
But the world doesn't work that way. Change, disruption, shows up whether we're ready or not. The question is, what will you do with it?
We spent years studying disruption.
And what we found? You are wired to disrupt.
To see what others miss, to question what others accept.
It's in your DNA, that spark that says, this isn't good enough yet.
Disruptors don't wait for signs, they are the sign.
They listen harder, see deeper, they ask, why not? Then they move. Here's the uncomfortable truth that most people won't say out loud. You don't get endless chances.
This role, this team, this life,
none of it lasts forever. So what are you waiting for?
to be invited,
To feel ready?
to get permission,
Here's your permission.
to shake things up,
To challenge, to lead.
to become a disruptor. Because the world doesn't need more of the same. It needs you, fully engaged, fully awake, fully in.
Someone willing to challenge what is and shape what's next. Someone who can stand up to the status quo, who sees disruption not as a risk.
But as the first step into the future.
So if you're done following outdated maps,
If you're ready to chart your own course
let's disrupt with purpose.
with courage
Let's disrupt
for good.
for good.